Hi there, Robin here from Expert On, and today we're going to be doing a sound check differently than we normally do, and this is also, to be fair, I just did a video on the B215d from Behringer, and I said, well, I don't think it'd be fair to do a sound. I was wrong, you're right. People out there said, no, we should get to hear it and hear the difference and actually see what's going on. So, when I did the video, I said this is a really great talk speaker. So a PA speaker, awesome. And I went on about the fact that it was mid-range and all that. And don't get me wrong, it's a good speaker overall, but we're going to do a video today and we're going to do 4 speakers. So not this with something else. We're going to do 4 different speakers, 30 seconds of record time each. So it's going to be the B215d from Behringer. It's also going to be the Alto TS315. Then we're going to put the Electro-Voice ZLX15p and the JBL EON615. Now, why are we doing all those? We're going to give them 30 seconds. We're going to play them exactly the same way. We're going to always make sure that the instrument mic, aka amplified mic, which is a microphone used commonly for either picking up instruments up close or for putting up against an amplified speaker. So we do have this exactly, and it was measured 36 inches away. That's going to be our consistency. Now, height-wise, is always going to be adjusted to the center of the woofer. Why are we going center of the woofer? Because the horn should naturally fan out. I mean, the smallest fanning of sound out of these things is about 30 degrees this way, 60 degrees that way. So this is going to be no problem. We're going to get an even sound coming across. Now, at the same time, I have a dB meter here. Why did we take out a dB? We're going to put pink noise. And I'm not even going to put that on the video because, to be honest, it's horrible. You put pink noise. It's going to be a low bass pink noise. And we're going to weight the actual reader. And why do we weight it? Because, again, I love viewers. I was educated to read up between weight settings A and B. Weight settings A and C. And for lower frequencies, C was better. And you're absolutely right. C is better. So that's a whole different video, which I'm not going to do on meters. But here we are. We're going to do it this way. Once we actually get 80 dBs here, now that's important. That magic number as pink noise, low frequency, mid-bass pink noise is basically the same as a crowded restaurant or a lot of people talking at a wedding before dinner or after dinner. So 80 dB is that level that we normally want to play at. It's twice as loud. It's twice as loud as basically a room full of people. And it is about 4 times louder than when you naturally talk. So we talk at about 70 dB. A regular restaurant with just a few customers in it, it's going to be, around 60 dB. You walk into a store with just that little elevator music, that's between 50 and 60 dB. So we're going for 80, and that gives us a pretty good consistency. The speakers are working a little bit. It's going to get us nice, good sound out of all the speakers, and you'll be able to then go between the 30-second clips and jump back and forth. So this isn't like extraordinarily loud, like if at the actual wedding during the actual, dancing part after the party portion of the actual wedding. That would definitely be between 90 and 100 dB. Most people go 90 to 95, but you can get up to 100 dB on a lot of these. But that's what we're talking about. The level of music you're going to play before and during dinner and after dinner. So there we go. That's what it's all going to be about today. Again, 4 speakers, all getting rounded up. So there we go. So now you've got 2 minutes of video to play with, and you can jump back and forth. You definitely want to take a listen to. If you heard it all and you went, I didn't really hear anything, you should really go back and just click between those 30-second slots and basically listen to certain parts. And you'll notice different speakers have different. Some of them are a little tighter with the frequency. Some of them are more separated, highs and lows. Some of them are just smoother across the board. At the end of the day, it's what you like. It's your flavor, right? So it's like, you know, I'm getting an ice cream and I want to put something on it. Now it's up to you. So there you go. I hope this helps, and leave me any questions or comments down below. Remember, you can always ask me a question in these comments, and I'll get back to them on our the Q&A videos that I do a couple of times a week. So go ahead, do that. Remember to always hit the subscribe button, and if you want to know if I answered your question, you're definitely going to want to hit that bell. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.